the decision trees, right? You know, decision trees. So that we'll understand what is the pre-pruning and post-pruning. So first of all, understand we have a tree. Okay, we have a tree, and that's we have multiple tree-like structure and multiple branches that we have. Okay, so that we'll understand what is the pre-pruning and what is the post-pruning and why this is useful. That's the tree-like structure. Okay, and with multiple trees, multiple trees. Okay, that's your tree-like structure. The problem is when we have a large data set, right? When we have a large data set, in that particular case, the tree that's tree, that's tree is too much big for your data for a training data. So in that particular case, when we train our model, so the model get overfitted when get all created branches till leaf node, right? Till leaf node. Till leaf node. When created trees and when created trees for your model, and they go through it the till at the end of that tree, right? In that particular case, we have the overfitting a model, right? We have a overfit a model. Overfit a model. Overfitting a model, it means basically when overfit a model, it means basically the uh, uh, training a model is the accuracy is high, but in a test model, when we test for a model, so the accuracy are reduced. That is called overfitting. So for that reducing of overfitting of your model, we using the pre-pruning and post-pruning. Okay, so that's why we using the pre-pruning and post-pruning. So try to understand for reducing the overfitting. Try to understand why this is important, okay, and how. First, we are going with the post-pruning, right? What is the post-pruning? Post-pruning basically, first we creating the whole your model, and that much how much the relief are created that we are creating. But after that creation of a whole tree or whole model, we simply basically they simply first construct the decision tree, then prune it. Prune it, it's mean basically the cut it that leaf node, right? The multiple leaf node, and we are considering that's your leaf node, right? That is your leaf node. After the post pruning. So when you're talking about the post pruning, it's basically the topic that we have. First, we are construct decision tree, then prune it. Okay, that's the first point. Then prune it. That's the basically pruning. It means when your garden and basically when your garden. That's we have a tree. Okay, tree we have a tree and simply we are cut their branches. So same that happening in the pre pruning and post pruning as well. In a post pruning, first of all we are creating a whole tree, right? Whole tree first creating a whole tree. After that we cut their branches in a structure manner, right? This is a post pruning. In post pruning, simply some happening in post pruning, pruning with right. We are a prune it with report, right? Reporting. We have all of report how that we are born, how it's a long size, and all of this concept we are understanding, and then we simply use the post pruning, right? Post pruning, and this pruning is useful for a small data set. We can't use that for a large data set because we get an error as well, right? So so post pruning is for useful for a small data set. Data set. Similar to as what is a pre-pruning. Second one is a pre-pruning. Pre. Second one is a pre-pruning. So what is when talking about the pre-pruning? So pre-pruning basically the I have we have in a garden we have a tree, and this is a very small tree, right? This very small tree, and before that to grow that tree, we simply structure that tree, right? Just like in mini gardens, you will see that the concepts of a tree are in the beginning they are cut their branches, right? Before that grow and they give proper structure of mini time. That type of pre-pruning uh, before the their decision that we are making the tree, we are structure them. That is the pre-pruning. And basically pre-pruning is when we pre-pruning it means when you when we are train a model that time is simply using the for a pre-pruning we are simply using the hyperparameter tuning hyperparameter for structure that pre-pruning, right? Hyperparameter just like there are many hyperparameters, right? Just like max depth, um, max depth. This is a parameter that we are playing with the huge hyperparameter for a pre-pruning, right? Max depth and max feature and some many more feature are there, right? Max depth, max feature, and leaf node. That's all feature that we have learning when we train our model how to use a pre-pruning and post-pruning. So this is the for a pruning, and in a pruning simply, we are simply cut the branches. That is a simple task. Cut the branches vertically, and simply we structure that tree, right?